Hi, my name is Dana Myers. I'm a co-owner of Main Street Bakery, and we're in Columbia, South Carolina.
My name is Rosa Daniels. I'm Dana's mother, and we are co-owners, mother and daughter shop. Well, Dana loved baking, and ever since I gave her her first easy bake oven, that's all she wanted to do. So we decided that when I retired from my current job, that we would open a bakery. So after 30 years of work, I retired, and in 2004, we opened a bakery.
One of the things that are very popular are our cinnamon rolls. They're very popular. We asked for a 24-hour window, but it's like my grandmother's recipe. At pound cake, our pound cakes are very popular. I think on any given day we can go through anywhere from five to ten a pound, just pound cakes. As a black-owned business, it's always going to come down to finances. We started out the business using our 401ks instead of doing like traditional loans. We didn't think that would be possible for us. So we savings, friends. We were lucky to have friends and family that were able to assist us. When the pandemic hit, we were just coming off of Valentine's Day and off of the holidays and stuff. And I think we were getting ready to go into our busy season. We had taken a lot of orders for wedding cakes and special event cakes, and then people started getting sick.
And we allowed only 3 people at a time in the store, so we sort of went to some limited hours on that. So that affected our bottom line, our gross receipt, and additionally, like Dana said, we had a lot of cancellations that were coming through, especially for wedding cakes, because that's the wedding season, and I would say, just about practically all of our wedding cakes canceled.
I think all of them did. I think
Yeah.
some people tried.
A couple of times they tried to have their weddings, but finally they gave up. And that was money that had to be refunded to them. So that hit us hard financially. And then, like I said, we are small on the small side, 5 to 7 people max, and trying to keep them on at their salary was challenging, very challenging.
It was a sense of relief when we realized that we were going to get the funding. Owning your own business, it's I take it very seriously, and I have people who are working with me, and people are depending on me for them to pay their rent, to pay their light bills, to do their daycare, put food on the table. So, the thought that we wouldn't be able to keep it going. These people have put their trust in us, and we don't want to let them down. It's very stressful. It's very stressful, the thought that we wouldn't be able to help them continue their life as they're used to it also.
I so appreciate you. I so appreciate you guys. It just put a smile on our face, and it kept us in business, to be honest, because I don't see how we could have possibly held on any length of time during the March, April, May, and June period of time. I don't see how we could have made it.
Yeah, payroll.
Payroll and gross receipts and mortgages and just supplies. It was it was God sent that loan.
We were grateful for the PPP program, and we were grateful that the banks worked with you guys worked with us. It was a blessing, and it allowed us to keep doing what we love.